Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall segment right key and sources, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall segment right key and sources, first, log into your segment account. Navigate to the workspace where your sources are located. Click on the Sources tab in the left-hand menu. Identify the source associated with the right key you wish to uninstall. Select the source by clicking on its name. In the Source Settings page, locate the Settings section. Scroll down to find the Remove Source option. Click on the Remove Source button. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to proceed. Confirm by clicking the Confirm button to uninstall the source. After the source is removed, the right key associated with it will also be uninstalled. Next, navigate to the Settings tab in the left-hand menu. Select API keys from the Settings menu. Find the right key you would like to uninstall. Click the Delete option next to the right key. A confirmation prompt will appear for the right key deletion. Confirm again by clicking Delete to complete the process. Once these steps are completed, the segment right key and associated sources will be successfully uninstalled. Make sure to review any dependencies that may have relied on the removed source or right key. Check your integrations to ensure everything is functioning properly after the removal. This will help maintain a smooth workflow within your segment account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.